What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Chloe here, and for today's video I'm gonna be unboxing this happy birthday gorgeous Barbie doll that I got for my birthday. I am super excited to open her. Huge shout out to Barbie Nation, because if it wasn't for his video that I saw where he showed her, I would not actually even want her or have her. So I am just really excited to get into it. So before unboxing her, I wanted to show you guys her box. So this is what her box looks like from the front, and then if you turn it, it's just a pink. Like, there's nothing really crazy going on. There's like a little message back there. There's a window here. The really cool thing about this doll was that you were able to open her, like the stand would sing or something like that. But yeah, there's really nothing crazy going on with her box. That's another main reason why I am unboxing her. Super easy to come out. Like, literally, she's out. Like, okay, so this is what she looks like in her little cardboard moment. Here's her certificate of authenticity, which I will be keeping that. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and get her out. Okay, guys, so that took forever. She was really in there. Like, they had tights around her feet, on her hand, on her waist, on her head. And they weren't like rubber bands or like really easy things to take off. Like, there were these like plastic things on her, which so annoying, but she's finally out. She does come with this really pretty stand. This is what it looks like. This is what the base looks like, and it has a button, and if you were to press it, it plays music, but the batteries of course are dead, but I can change that. I don't know if the stand is crooked because it's kind of like leaning, but that might be the way it needs to be in order to like have her stand there. This is what she looks like. I miss when Barbie gave us this quality. Like, this is a different level of quality than what we're getting right now. It's still not like the craziest, like, oh my god, you know, type of quality, but it is a lot better than what we're getting right now. For starters, we're gonna start with her face because she's absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at her makeup. Oh my god, her makeup is stunning. Like, so beautiful. Oh, I love it. Her hair has a lot of product in it. Like, it has gel and it feels kind of nasty, so I'm definitely gonna have to wash it, and hopefully I can put it back into its original styling. But this is what it looks like. She comes with the most beautiful earrings. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see them. They are these beautiful dangly stars in a beautiful metallic silver. Like, they actually have movement. So I took off her earrings and oh my god, this is insane. It's two little pieces. Like, the piece that goes into her ear is one piece, and then the dangly part is another piece. Look at how pretty that is. So gorgeous. Super cute and dangly. I love that. She does come wearing these gloves. They are fabric gloves, and yeah, they're really cute. It's a moment. Her dress is so gorgeous, you guys. First of all, she has this blue and pink moment going on. The blue is like, it has embedded like sparkles in it, so super gorgeous. It's like super long from the back, and it has a slit in the front. So gorgeous. I think what I love the most about this dress is that it's lined. Look at how beautiful that is. So gorgeous. There's this little cute bow detail right here. There's like the pink fabric, and then her shoes are just these simple little heeled sandals, which I absolutely love. I think she's so gorgeous. One of the main reasons why I fell in love with her was because she is a birthday Barbie, but on top of that, she's also like these pink, blue, and white colors. And anytime I see pink, blue, and white, it always reminds me of the trans flag. And as you guys know, I am transgender, so I find a lot of love in those colors, and anytime I see a doll representing those colors, I automatically think, oh my god, the trans flag. So I like to think that the designers know about it and they're doing it on purpose. But how beautiful is she? Super gorgeous, super gorgeous. And then to put her on her stand, it's one of those like saddle stands. So I am noticing that her stand is actually like crooked. So she will be like, this is what she looks like on her stand. She's kind of like leaning that way, but I noticed that if I push her this way, she'll lean a little bit more straight. But yeah, you guys, this is what she looks like. Super gorgeous. I love that her dress can go like around her stand, and it's just, she just looks so statuesque. Like, I'm here for it. I might recreate this dress like for me in real life because it's just so beautiful. Like, I love it, but look at that. So gorgeous. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do we love her? Like, what do we think? Honestly, I think she's super gorgeous. But yeah, so if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like this video if you like this video. And until next time, goodbye, my angels.